Little Feet presents How to Swaddle a Baby. Ingredients: 1 swaddling blanket, 1 baby, 0 to 8 weeks. Number 1, the diamond. Fold top corner down. Place baby's shoulders. Level with top fold. Hold hands at chest, arms slightly bent. Pull left side across shoulder and tuck it under. Give the blanket a tug to make the wrap more snug. Pull up bottom corner. Wrap over same shoulder and under. Leave room for baby's leg to bend up and out. Pull right side across to make a V-neck and hold with thumb. Wrap up, over shoulder and under back. Tuck end into front fold. Sleep like a baby. Can also be done with hands out. Bend arms and place hands at chin. Number 2, the square. Fold top third of blanket down. Place baby's shoulder level with top fold. Fold arms in at chest. Fold left side across and tuck under back. Pull right side across to make a V-neck and hold with thumb. Wrap up, over shoulder and under back. Take a bottom corner in each hand. Fold up and tuck under. Sweet dreams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Little Feet for more awesome content. See you.